Anytime you assign a value to a variable inside a function, you create a local variable. A local variable belongs to the function in which it is created, and only statements inside that function can access the variable. The term local is meant to indicate that the variable can be used only locally within the function in which it's created. If there's a statement in one function that tries to access a local variable that belongs to another function, an error will occur. A variable's scope is part of the program in which the variable can be accessed. A variable is visible only to statements in the variable scope. A local variable scope is a function in which the variable is created. For example, in this function, calculate discount price, this is a local variable called discount. It's first initialized to be 0 and then is used inside the function. If there are some code outside the function that tries to access this discount variable, this will not work. This will throw an error because this discount is only visible or accessible within the function. It's not accessible outside the function. And in addition, a local variable cannot be accessed by the code that appears inside the function at the point before the variable has been created. So, for example, price equals discount times 100. When discount variable is first being used, it cannot appear on the right side of the assignment operator because this discount has not been initialized yet. So that means this discount is referencing nothing. It's not referencing any data. So it doesn't make sense to use discount times 100. And if you have a piece of code like this, there will be a name error. So instead, these two lines of code needs to be switched. So we need to first assign a value to discount and then use it later after it's defined and initialized. So this local variable cannot be accessed or cannot be used before it's defined and initialized. And because a function's local variables are hidden from other functions, the other function may have their own local variables with the same name. So for example, these two functions calculate price, get bulk discount. So both these two functions define a local variable called discount. But these two discounts are different. They will not interfere with each other because this discount is only visible inside the calculate price function, and this discount is only visible inside get bulk discount function. So there will be no problem or no confusion between these two variables, although they have the same name, discount.